Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Happy Friday. Hopefully everybody's having an awesome Friday. Anyway, today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Supreme. It was drop spring summer season 2018. This one is the week number 10 drop on April 26th. This is a Supreme that is collaborate with the HELLRAISER Skateboard. This one is a 8.5 inch by 32.25 inch. It was retail for $66. There is a $10 shipping and handling charge. Sales tax is 6.65. So the total order for the damage is $82.65. So without further ado, let's go ahead and then get this unboxed, guys. So I got my knife over here, and let's go ahead and then get ready to unbox. Last time I made a mistake. The opening is on the sides only, not in the middle. So I'm gonna cut the side and then get this deck out of there. So normally you come with a Supreme shopping bag. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Yep, there you go. And then there's nothing inside the box, so let's toss that away. So this is the nice Supreme shopping bag. Every time we purchase anything from Supreme, they come with this nice shopping bag. But unfortunately, only when you buy like apparels from the store, it give you like a hang tag, you know. But if you purchase online, it doesn't come with any of the hang tags. So. Wow, there you go, guys. So always they come with the sticker that is inside the deck with this saran wrap. All right. And as you can see, world famous with the red of the box logo, Supreme, on there. And there's a warning label. It says made in Mexico. I'm not sure what the warning label is about. Let me see if I can zoom in real quick. This is weird. That's the first time that I got the warning label about the injury and death. Okay. And then you got this description with the barcode. And then the color and then the size of the deck. This is something new. I don't think I ever got the deck. It come with this sticker. Only the clothing. So interesting. So there you go, guys. So this is a HELLRAISER. As you can see all those needle on top of the around the face, the head, everywhere. Okay. And this is the part that I like. I come with this Supreme. HELLRAISER is holding the Supreme box I mean, the box that says Supreme on there, which is nice. So this one is a 8.5, so it's kind of heavy and wide. All right, so anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn on that bell, that ringing bell for notification. So whenever I drop a new and latest video, you guys can check them out instantly. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media and drop any of the comments on below. I have all the week that has been dropped, all the price lists are under the McDaddy Pimpin channel. You can search it under there, and then if you guys got any questions, just hit me up, all right? Or DM me. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, be safe out there and happy Friday. Peace out, guys.